Welcome to JLM University. My name is Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to replace the pull rope with handle on the PowerPole Move ZR. For a list of recommended tools, please see the description below. And of course, make sure before working on your PowerPole Move you always turn the power to the motor off before doing any repairs. The first thing we're going to do is remove the handle from the rope by using our screwdriver to press out the top cap. Use the screwdriver to push at the bottom of the handle. Be very careful not to push up into your hand. Make sure your hand is free of this tab. So from the bottom, push, just like so. Now we have the cap out. Use your pair of needle nose pliers to grab the knot and pull out of the handle. Now that the end of the rope is free, use the pliers to pull apart the knot, just like that. Go ahead and pull the handle off of the rope. For the next step, we need to put the PowerPole Move into the partially stowed position to access the rope. Now we are going to pull the rope through and unwrap it from the pin and the wheels on the lock bar. Always be careful when working on your PowerPole Move trolling motor in the partially stowed position, as there are a lot of pinch points within the trolling motor. We do recommend using something to sit underneath the bottom arm to prevent it from coming down. Pull the end of the rope with the heat shrink attached. This is going to allow slack to where you can pull the rope out from itself. And now we are ready to install our new pull rope. Carefully use a Phillips screwdriver to make a hole through the rope so the other end can be ran through. The rope needs to be tied directly on the lock bar to the right of the wheels. Now that we have the rope routed around the lock bar, it's time to take the heat shrink in and feed it through the hole we created with the Phillips screwdriver. Now take the end of your rope and route it around the top of the stationary pin and back underneath the middle wheel. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to grab the end of the rope and pull towards you. Repeat the process back around the final wheel to the left. Now with the rope properly routed around the lock bar, use your routing tool to grab the end of the rope and bring it above the stationary pin and out the top of the rope retainer. Now with the rope properly fed through the rope retainer, feed the end of your rope through the bottom of the rope handle and out the top. From here, tie a knot at the very end of your rope and pull the rope back down, bringing the knot through the top of the hole. The final step is to take the rope handle cap and press it down tightly to the top of the handle. That is how you replace your pull rope with handle on your PowerPole Move ZR. Thank you for watching.